From Bangladesh, Tamim Iqbal scored 7,680 runs in T20 career. From Netherlands, Tendis Kate scored 7,597 runs in T20 career. KL Rahul from India scored 7,531 runs so far. Currently, MS Dhoni from India scored 7,407 runs in T20 career. Brad Hodge scored 7,406 runs in his T20 career. Dinesh Karthik from India scored 7,382 runs. The rising star of India, Suryakumar Yadav scored 7,314 runs in his T20 career. Robin Thappa from India scored 7,272 runs so far. Bangladeshi captain Shakib Al Hasan scored 7,231 runs. Andre Fletcher from West Indies scored 7,101 runs in his T20 career. From Australia, Sean Marsh scored 7,050 runs. Ahmed Shahzad from Pakistan scored 7,011 runs in his T20 career. All-rounder from West Indies, DJ Bravo scored 6,957 runs in his T20 career. Kumar Sangakkara from Sri Lanka scored 6,937 runs. From West Indies, Nicholas Pooran has 6,928 runs so far in his T20 career. Manish Pandey from India scored 6,891 runs. In his T20 career, Kamran Akmal from Pakistan scored 6,775 runs. Sanju Samson from India scored 6,694 runs so far in his T20 career. Joe Denley from England scored 6,633 runs in his T20 career. Johnson Charles from West Indies scored 6,563 runs. From New Zealand, Ross Taylor scored 6,559 runs. Rita Hendricks from South Africa scored 6,479 runs in his T20 career. Fakhar Zaman from Pakistan scored 6,461 runs so far. Laurie Evans scored 6,455 runs in his T20 career. Kiwi captain Kane Williamson scored 6,414 runs so far in his T20 career. All-rounder from England, Moeen Ali scored 6,411 runs so far. Gautam Gambhir from India scored 6,402 runs in his T20 career. JP Duminy finished off his career with 6,397 runs. Ajinkya Rahane from India scored 6,350 runs.